Hey there! Have you ever felt like self-doubt and limiting beliefs were holding you back? Today, I'm going to share how emotional freedom techniques, or EFT tapping, can boost your confidence instantly. Picture this. You're sitting in a quiet, serene environment, eyes closed, gently tapping on specific meridian points like your temples or under your eyes. This simple action can unlock your true confidence. With EFT, you can release the self-doubt and limiting beliefs that have been weighing you down. Confidence impacts every area of life, from your career to your relationships. Imagine walking into a professional setting, speaking confidently with a group, and highlighting your assertiveness. EFT helps rewire the brain, replacing fear and hesitation with self-assurance. It's like flipping a switch. Now, think about standing in front of a mirror, tapping gently while repeating positive affirmations like, "I am enough," and "I am capable." With EFT, you can transform negative self-talk and shatter those limiting beliefs. Break free from the thought "I'm not good enough" and embrace a new sense of empowerment. Nervous about public speaking or social anxiety? Picture yourself about to step on stage for a big presentation. You discreetly tap your fingers, calming your mind and body. EFT can turn that fear into focused energy, giving you the confidence to shine. I want you to see yourself smiling and engaging confidently in various social and professional settings. That's the power of EFT. It empowers you to take control of your life, whether at work or in social situations. So, are you ready to unlock a new level of confidence? Start your journey today. Visit tapintoyourbestself.com for more information. Remember, confidence is within reach. You can achieve it with EFT. Take that first step and tap into your best self. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel inspired to begin your journey to unshakable confidence. Until next time, stay confident and keep tapping.